All right, folks. Such a beautiful view looking out the river room at the waves and the nice shore across the river. And if we turn around here and we want to look at the street, holy crap, look at that. We can see the street side. There's the chimney. All right, day 2 of chimney removal. We got we're almost done the roof line here all the way around, but the beauty. So all of this stuff here is solid concrete and bricks, and I was hoping it wasn't going to be solid all the way down. And joy to the world, thank you. It's not going to be solid. So it's obviously hollow here. Now, there's no sealing action between the flue joint. So that's why this is all black, because flue gases had gotten out and filled that cavity there. But you notice, at least at this level, there is hardly any soot buildup. This is second flue section down. So it's not like, at least at this elevation, we were worried about having any kind of a fire in our chimney. But anyway, that's excellent news, making good progress. Getting this flashing out from around this chimney was probably one of the more difficult things that I've ever done in a house. This thing was built like a tank. They obviously flashed the crap out of it, but they glued everything together with this glue, this black, rubbery stuff. I mean, they could have built a boat with this stuff. It's awesome. Anyway, back cracking on. All right, folks, we've got the chimney down to below second floor level. This is the back side of the bathroom, kitchen side, and this is the front side facing the river. There is there are two I-beams that terminate around in this area, right near this face of this wall here, and they go clear to the beam or some sort of beam underneath the rear wall of the house. So unfortunately, we can't reuse that I-beam. It's probably the wrong height, but it's also too short. It needs to go back to this point here so that all of this area where the chimney is can open up. So I'm going to button this up and put the floor down, a piece of OSB, just so we don't fall through, and call it a day. Cheers.